All right, welcome back to the DeFi House. And in this one, I want to show you a little indicator page that involves all of the well-known indicators about the market. This could be related to Bitcoin, altcoins, or market in general. And CoinGlass has this amazing page that shows bull market peak indicators that suggests when the top might be in. So you know that you should start preparing to sell your assets or to open short positions or hedge against your assets, etc. So basically, as you may know, we have a lot of different market indicators in crypto space that shows where the market stands at the moment, and most of them involve Bitcoin, and most indicators are based on math because of the limited Bitcoin supply. So how Bitcoin should grow in comparison to how many Bitcoins are being mined, etc., etc. But this page shows you all 30 biggest and most popular indicators in one place. So you have, for example, things like P cycle. We all know that this is a very famous indicator. Also, Bitcoin rainbow chart is also one of the most famous indicators. Now, when we have a crypto and Bitcoin ETFs, we also have days of ETFs net outflows indicator as well that suggests potential selling pressure coming. We also have things like altcoin season index, Bitcoin dominance. We have Bitcoin long-term holders supply, short-term holder supply in percentage. We have also things like the golden ratio multiplier and some other stuff as well. So all of them are being taken into consideration while calculating where the market is at the moment. Don't get me wrong, this is not some sort of a magical indicator that will show you when to buy or when to sell or where the market is precisely, but it's a good place to have this page bookmarked and check on a weekly basis. Let's say every Saturday or so, or every Monday. It's up to you. Just to see if something changed and some of the indicators start to show signs of potential peak incoming. At the moment, as you can see, no, not a single indicator hits that we are coming towards the peak, and the general consensus of this indicator's average is to hold 100%, meaning that you don't want to even think about selling your assets at the moment, meaning that the market is still heating up. It's still not super hot, is heating up, and as soon as it starts getting hot and then hotter and hotter and hotter, right, it's boiling, the whole market is boiling, then some of the indicators and uh, eventually most of the indicators will start showing and suggesting that the market is being overcooked and that you should start considering selling part of your positions, including altcoins, Bitcoin itself, or short positions, starts to fill short positions, etc. It's up to you what you're going to do, of course. But this is just a very cool page that shows where the market is based on the biggest and most popular indicators that exists at the moment. So go to coinglass.com/bull market peak signals, and you're going to see this page and you're going to find all of the information right here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you, of course, on the next video.